Welcome to my channel Tavakadamrutam Tapta Jeevanam. In NOA Text 1, Text 2, Episode 3, we discussed about the income distribution. Generally, the system is that then we can live in a room without any problem. Unless they have higher goal, they cannot get together. They are very specific to maintain the way. Their children, 2 chapatis for my husband, 2 puris for my husband, dosas are best for my husband. My husband take anything, true or false. This is why. The problem is, unless you work together, we can't have a giant family. Otherwise, we can't work together. We make the capitalist very rich. And Krishna's money is going to capitalists. We are walking into the trap. Unmindedly, we can somehow or other become very simple. Eat simply. That's a fact. We have to learn to protect our ways in a spiritual wise. Wife is subordinate to husband. Then joint family system, beautiful joint family system is formed. That will completely cut the capitalism. It just won't survive. That's why India, thousands of years, they just not been had a capitalism. One Mataji is cooking one day. Another Mataji is helping in decorating deities. Another Mataji is caring for children. Another Mataji is teaching the children. In a joint family. 4 brothers are there. 4 brothers are married. Their 4 wives are there. One Mataji is cooking one day. Another Mataji is helping in decorating deities in one day. Another Mataji is caring for the children on one day. Another Mataji is teaching the children one day. They will recycle like that. So in this way, there are in such a beautiful joint family system. You don't have to go anywhere for all your needs. There is farm community from where you get vegetables, milk and all that. So it is just a perfect system. If you really want to forbid Atyahara to move in this direction, joint family system. Otherwise, you go on speaking this for theoretically. N number of years. You never able to realize. We can realize it quite easily if we stay in Krishna conscious platform. Minimize our needs. Accept according to our service. Then everything is very easily possible. Otherwise, there will be quarrels, fights among us somebody. It is interesting. It is Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada gives detrimental for bhakti. What is detrimental for bhakti? Atyahara. Then he gives things for fulfill bhakti. So, the means, the substantial progress in bhakti is not possible without, even if you are enthusiastic, even if you are patient. If you are not working on the not do arts, it won't be successful. In other words, one can be very enthusiastic to hear and chant. By the same time, one can very enthusiastic collect number of books and study them, or collect number of disciples, or to collect much money and building big buildings, make big projects. Your bhakti will be shackled. You won't be able grow in bhakti. Very important. You should be very careful of consequences. After this, Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada presents Dadati. Otherwise, in the beginning, he presents Dadati Pratigruhnati. We are in a love school. Even in those, they like to only one word, Pratigruhnati, in Upadeshamrita. So, there is a love school where they will believe in no chastisement, no restrictions, just love. So, Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada is in very short book like this Upadeshamrita, only 11 slokas. He is placing the things in order in which we are supposed to apply them. Our priority should be first goes to sense control. It does not mean that you are not working on the relationship with devotees. It does not mean that we are not doing sadhana and all that. There has to be foundation of sense control program. If one is not sense controlled, you can't stop atyahara, prayasa. Not at all possible. So, it takes solid foundation. Then one must avoid the things which pull down one in bhakti. Then one can apply the positive things of bhakti. Generally, we say, think positively, don't think negatively. But Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada verses are negative. It is really interesting. I always thought about it. So, restrictions are important. While praising children, while training people, while conducting anything, there are restrictions. And then there are loving exchanges. So, atyahara means not collecting more than necessary or not eating more than necessary. So, atyahara means not collecting more than necessary or not eating more than necessary. The whole modern society, the fight between capitalists and communists is, Srila Prabhupada says in purport, it is of atyahara problem. Everybody wants to collect much more than what they need. This is a problem. So, maintaining them is a problem and you become attached. That is another problem. When you have things that you don't need and you attach to them, it works on you and it is pulling you down and you have to work hard for them. That is the next thing, prayasa. Everyone has to do so. Everyone has to do some prayasa. But to advance in Krishna consciousness, some prayasa is necessary. That effort is necessary. Prayasa for us, to condition. It is not a prayasa for liberated souls. To practice bhakti for them it is natural. That liberated souls practicing bhakti is natural. Just like an experienced Olympiad runner, for him daily exercise is, for him 1 hour yoga is very easy. But normal people 1 hour yoga is very difficult. So, because for natural rasa, we have to make some effort to do the exercise. Nice for bhakti. But one should not do prayasa for karma or jnana. Those who are karmis, they work very, very hard to get the result. Karmi's slogan is, work is worship. So that they can control you. They put the work is worship everywhere. They try to induce the feeling in the workers They are actually thinking they are worshipping God. They are within the psyche. Generation after generation, people work is worship. And people work like donkeys. If we don't hear sutras from Vedavyasa, we have to hear false sutras from Karmis. They have this false sutras. Work is worship. No substitute for hard work. Come on, work 12 hours or 18 hours. This is Indian government encouraging like this. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. श्री Guru Maharaj की जय, श्री Prabhupada की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, निताय गौर प्रेम।